Imagine you are planning a massive wedding. You have 3 different lists of people to invite. Your list, Alice, Bob, Charlie, David. Then, partners list, Charlie, David, Eve, Frank. And last, parents list, Alice, Frank, George. So the problem here is, if you just combine these into one big list, you'll see Alice and Charlie multiple times. If you print invitations based on that list, you'll waste money sending 2 or 3 invites to the same person. You need a way to automatically throw away the duplicates and only keep the unique humans. This is exactly why we need a set. In Python, a set is a collection of items that follows 3 strict rules. First of all, no duplicates. This means no duplicate values are allowed in sets. Let's see this code. My underscore set equals 5 times 5, and I print my underscore set, so output will be just 1 times 5. Let's run it. Yes, the output is 5. Even though we wrote 5 times, Python only stores it once. Next, unordered. A set doesn't care who arrived first. See this code. Fruits equals apple, banana, cherry, and I print fruits. Let's run it. Output should be in different order. Also notice how the order is different from how we entered them. That's because sets are unordered. And last, unindexed. Because there is no order, you can't ask for the first item or the last item. Let's see this code. My underscore set equals 1, 2, 3, and I print my underscore set with index 0. If you run this line, you'll get an error. Set object is not subscriptable. Python can't find the first item because sets don't have positions. Now let's see how sets are used in Python. Sets are used when you want to do group math. Instead of looking at items one by one, you compare entire groups at once using these operations: union with this symbol, intersection with this symbol, and difference with this symbol. Let's say we have 3 sets: my underscore list, partner underscore list, and parents underscore list. We want to make a final set with no duplicates, so we'll use the union operator like this. Final list equals my list, union partner underscore list, union parents underscore list. Print, complete guest list, no duplicates, final list. Let's run it, guys. Output, complete guest list, no duplicates, Bob, Frank, David, Alice, Charlie, Eve, George. Yes, you can see the output has every person only once, even though Alice and Frank appeared on multiple lists. Next, let's find out which guests are on both my list and my partner's list. For this we use the intersection operator. Mutual friends equals my list, intersection partner underscore list. Print, guests on both lists, mutual friends. Let's run it, guys. Output, guests on both lists, David, Charlie. Perfect. Charlie and David are the ones we both want to invite. Finally, let's find out which guests are only on my list and not on my partner's list. We use the difference operator. Only my friends equals my list, minus partner underscore list. Print, guests only on my list, only my friends. Let's run it, guys. Output, guests only on my list, Bob, Alice. And there you have it. 3 set operations that help us manage our wedding guest lists perfectly. So, this was sets in Python. Hope you understand this. We will learn more about sets in next upcoming challenges, so like the video and I will see you soon in next video.